Okay, guys, look at this. And yeah, I will sing it. Yeah, yeah. First thing first, before cooking, clean the meat a little bit, remove silver skin. Small step, big difference, better texture when you biting. And then comes the seasoning. Now we enter the mission. Mini Chef Zico helping with precision. Saw every side, yeah, we do it proper. Good seasoning first, always make it better. Yeah, then slice garlic, rosemary, thyme, olive oil drizzle, make the whole thing shine. No pepper for now, let me tell you why. Pepper burns in the oven when the heat too high. Garlic and onion at the bottom of the tray. Future sauce building slowly on the way. Oven already hot, 220 on the flame. 15 minutes roasting, now we entered the game. Halfway through, 7 minutes flipping nice. Beautiful sear on every side, precise. Then lower down, 180 slow ride. 45 minutes, depending what you like. Once the lamb done, don't touch it yet. Most important step and people always forget. Cover it, let it rest 20 minutes slow. Keep all the juice inside, let the flavor grow. While it resting, quick sauce in the pot, water in the tray. Scrape every caramelized spot, garlic, onion, everything goes in. Slow reduction, now the sauce begin. Then finally sharpen your knife real nice. Slice through the lamb, clean, precise. Look at this, super juicy, tender, full of flavor. Honestly, so good. Nothing greater, even my little chef agrees. So bon appetit.